So today we got a new package from Blessed Performance, and today we're going to open it and see what we got. Let's open it up. Very careful. That is per tape. Oh yeah. All nicely packaged. Everything in the box. Always when I wanted, an empty box. What's in this one? Another empty box. That was so freaking. Oh, there's the sticker. I knew he wouldn't let me down. This is Blessed Performance brushless electric fan kit for your 6.0 powerstrokes, and this thing is absolutely freaking beautiful. The fans are nice. The wiring is amazing. I'm really excited to get this put on muffin. So we got the Proform brushless fans, 4 of them. Looks to be 2 16-inch ones and 2 12-inch ones, which is awesome. I'm assuming he has it set up to have like a high flow and a low flow function. It seems to be. I'm not exactly sure how he has that all set up. Everything seems to be beautifully made to plug and play. So we got our wiring harness that goes to the batteries, and this just plugs into the stock fan location. And the white matches muffin, of course. Of course, this is going in muffin. Now, why do these cost so much? That's because the fans alone, and I've looked this up, are $800 for just the fans alone. And I'm assuming he has more money into making the assembly that holds them together, the wiring harness and everything. I estimate there's probably $1,000 worth of product just into this. Never mind the time and labor and engineering cost it costed to make this. I've talked to Matt a little bit with how these are made and how they've performed. I'm definitely going to be putting it on muffin because muffin runs extremely freaking hot, so that will absolutely put it to the test. I guess Fred Diesel has been absolutely ripping on one of these. It has an incredible amount of CFM flow. I forget the exact numbers, but is more than what the stock fan is capable of. Whereas the fans that are on the market, like the cheap eBay ones, I have one. Let me go get it. This is one of the cheap Amazon kits compared to the Blessed Performance kit. As you can see, the fans definitely cover more area of the shroud, where these are the same all throughout, and the flow that these have is very underwhelming. This kit right here on muffin, and it didn't even last a day. I immediately overheated trying to go up the mountain. I have a really big mountain here right where I live, and I didn't even make it halfway, and my coolant temperatures were already soaring to 230 degrees. And that was with all 4 fans blowing at full tilt. So I literally got home and I put the stock fan back on the truck because I could not drive the truck with this fan kit. It is so garbage. It does not keep up with the amount of CFMs that the stock fan that uses. Maybe if you're running it on a stock truck and you're daily driving, you're going back and forth to work, you might be fine. But if you plan on towing like I have with muffin, this is not keeping up. I have tested it, I have used it, it is garbage. Yes, it's only $200. You're paying for $200. Yes, this is $1,400, but you're gonna put this on and this flows better than the stock fan. So once I get some time and some room into the shop here, we're gonna get muffin in, we're gonna put the new fan system on. We also got a new Thumper 2 pump. I don't know where I have put that. We got the new updated CSC standpipe kits because I'm running the prototypes in there, and I want to upgrade and put the newer updated design of the CSC standpipes. We're also probably going to take the 9-blade Titan Turbo out of it and run a S369 I have for now, because I'm going to send that turbo out to be looked at, rebuilt, and made into a 66 millimeter. Get a little bit more power out of this truck. There is a bunch of other little upgrades we're going to do while we have the muffin down, but for the meantime, check out Bless Performance. Check out this fan kit. If you want the best fan kit on the market, hands down, it's this kit right here.